Hello friends, our question is find the value of c from expression factorial c is equal to c cube minus c. Now on solving this problem, factorial c is equal to c cube minus c. We have to find the value of c. Now on solving this again, we call a rule factorial n is equal to n into factorial n minus 1. Applying this law of here, c into factorial c minus 1 is equal to c cube minus c. c factorial c minus 1 is equal to, taking as a common c, remaining here c square minus here is also remains 1. Dividing c both the sides, c into factorial c minus 1 is equal to c square minus 1 divided by c both the sides. This to be cancelled and this to be cancelled. Remaining factorial c minus 1 is equal to c square 1. Here is also 1 is default exponent square. We call a rule a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. Applying this identity here, same as c square minus 1 square. Factorial c minus 1 is equal to c minus 1 into c plus 1 as per rule this identity. We call a rule factorial n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 factorial n minus 2. Applying this law of here, left side, c minus 1 into c minus 2 factorial is equal to c minus 1 into c plus 1. Dividing both the sides by c minus 1. c minus 1 factorial c minus 2 is equal to c minus 1 into c plus 1 divided by c minus 1 both the sides. This to be cancelled and this to be cancelled. Remain c minus factorial c minus 2 is equal to c plus 1. Assuming let c minus 2 is equal to a, then c is equal to a plus 2. Putting this value here, factorial a is equal to a plus 2 plus 1. Factorial a is equal to a plus 3. If a is equal to 4, then putting this value here, factorial 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. Factorial 4 means factorial 4 is equal to 7. Factorial 4 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 7. 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24, not is equal to 7. Then a is equal to 4, not possible. Again solving, if a is equal to 3, then putting the values of equation here, a is equal to 3, factorial a is equal to a plus 3, putting this value here, factorial 3 is equal to 3 plus 3, factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 3 3 6, 3 2 जा 6 बन जा 6, 6 is equal to 6. Then main values of a is equal to 3. Since c minus 2 is equal to a, assuming leave c minus 2 is equal to a, then a is equal to 3, c minus 2 is equal to 3, c is equal to 3, to move to right side, c is equal to 5. Be getting the answer of c is equal to 5. Now equation verify. Factorial c is equal to c cube minus c. The values of c is equal to 5. Putting here, factorial 5 is equal to 5 cube minus 5. Factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 5 cube is 125 minus 5. 5 4 जा 20, 3 जा 60, 2 जा 120, 1 जा 120 is equal to subtracting 120. LHS is equal to RHS. Then C is equal to 5 is the correct answer of that question. On finding the value of C, then be getting the value of C is equal to 5. This is correct answer. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.